Recording.
Good morning, everybody. I am heading to work. It's a nice morning. Well, I can hear them birds singing. You probably can't hear them on the Sena here, but they're really a singing. So, anyway, it's time to go to work. Look up this holler and see if I see another groundhog. Been trying to live trap them things and get rid of them. They're eating there. They're digging holes under the building and tearing the holes in the floors, and not of the house, but my shop building. But my goodness. But anyway, I wanted to get on here and say this Dr. Chan, I think it was, replied to my video. It was the one where the last one I made, just talking about the valves. And he said, "You're worried about the valves and you're wearing a short sleeve shirt." Yeah, I'm not worried about the valves. If I was worried about them, they'd already be adjusted. I did myself or taking the shop. I just had a discussion about it. So I'm not worried. It sounds like to me he's more worried about me not wearing a shirt than worried about his own life. I just don't know why that burns me up, but it does. You know, to me it's like you're an idiot. You go around telling people, "Why ain't you wearing this?" or "Why are you doing this?" Well, why don't you worry about yourself? You know, I mean, I don't care what he wears. I don't care what you wear. I don't care if you ride naked. If you want to do it, that's your business. I worry about me and my family. I don't worry about everybody else in this country. You know, if you ain't got brains enough to take care of yourself, if you ain't got brains enough to work for yourself, well then starve. You know, it says in the Bible, if a man don't work, a man don't eat. So if you can't work, then starve. Hey, it's a free country. But I don't wear gear on days that I don't want to. If I wanted to wear my gear, I put it on. I'm a grown man. I can make that decision. I don't need somebody all the time telling me, "You don't have a jacket on," or "Why ain't you wearing your gloves, old man?" Like, who the hell cares? I'm sorry, but it's just the way I feel. Leave me alone. If you don't like it because you see me with a t-shirt on, well then leave my channel, don't watch the videos. I could care less. I am who I am. I'm not no fake like a lot of people on YouTube. What you see in the videos and what you hear, that is what I am. It's not fake. It's not cut up and pieced together. So, Dr. Chan, zip it, Jack. I have, there's this woman at work, she would always tell me, or she was always saying, why are you wearing a jacket? Why are you wearing a jacket? Or why ain't you wearing, or why are you this? And it finally it just gets on my nerves after a while. And I told her, I said, well, I don't know. I figured once I grown up and become a man, then I could probably make it a choice saying, hey, I want to wear a jacket today because I'm a little chilly, so I'll put a jacket on. Well, hey, today I'm a little warmer, so I probably won't wear a jacket today, but I can make that decision. You don't have to ask me why, because I want to. One day she said, why you got a jacket on? I said, well, I think because I slid this left arm into the sleeve, I slid my right arm into this sleeve, and all of a sudden it was on. That's why. But you can do all the gear all the time or whatever if you want. I wear all the gear if I want, when I want. So, you know, you don't see people riding outdoor motocross or supercross. They may have on a chest protector or a jersey. You don't see them wearing a climb jacket when they're and pants when they're riding. They're not wearing as much protective gear as you think. They may have a knee brace on. They might have a chest protector, and that's because of roost. You know, but they're not wearing full-blown heavy gear. But I wear what I want to be comfortable. I've done it all my life. I've crashed before, yes. I've crashed on dirt roads, not on pavement, but And got road rash because of it too. And it didn't feel good, but hey, whatever. If I had a Mack truck, that probably ain't gonna help me with that road with that gear on anyway. Anyway, that's all I wanted to rant about this morning, you guys. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate all my subscribers and all of you that, you know, that are great people, and you know, I really appreciate it. Everybody commenting. Please comment below what you think. But you know, don't bash me because I ain't got a jacket on, or I do have a jacket on, or whatever. Worry about yourself. Right on.